Hey guys, we are group 4, and today in our workshop we will be discussing the importance of quotations in PR writing. So, why are quotations so important? Well, quotations are used to lend personal authority to a statement your client wishes to make. They are a standard element in public relations writing, particularly in news releases. For example, when drafting a news release on a new product, you must often invent a comment from a product manager on the features of a new product, or perhaps on its application in the marketplace. Quotations also provide journalists with tools to make their story about your news seem as though it resulted in an actual interview, and not just a press release. According to the Berkshire Hathaway Business Wire, audiences are far more receptive when news publications write stories about your client's news if it sounds as if the information came from an actual interview. When writing a press release, you must incorporate all of the 5 W's into your writing. However, this ultimately leads to the pressing question of, says who? And this is exactly what quotations are here for. Quotations are used to explain and supplement information relayed by clients when writing in PR. With quotations, not only can you tell your reader how your company feels about its news, you can relay how the reader should feel about its news. Let's talk about the world of PR writing quotation guidelines. 1. The substance and tone of your quotation should be in keeping with the needs of your client. 2. Quotations should provide only relevant information. 3. As a public relations practitioner, you must remain keenly aware of the interests of your audience and your client. 4. Don't clutter a release with unneeded facts, please. When providing your quotations, keep only relevant information. Keep it short, keep it sweet, and keep it concise. And remember, the importance of a good quote in a press release cannot be understated. Depending on the publication you're sending it to, the quote might be the only portion of your release that's printed. It is critical that the quote be clear, on brand, punchy, and substantive. Alright, thank you guys so much for coming to my TED Talk. Just kidding. Thank you guys so much for listening to our workshop. We hope you learned a little something about quotations, and enjoy the rest of your day.